Hello and welcome to Fiddle. This is a quick overview of how we can help your CPG brand streamline operations, track inventory, and monitor COGS and margins so you're successful in hitting your price points. Fiddle is easy to navigate from the upper left menu where you have 4 sections: inventory, sales, sourcing, and production. Inventory is where you manage items, transfers, and shipments. Sales is where you manage customers, quotes, and orders. Sourcing is where you manage suppliers and POs. And finally, production is where you manage work orders and production documents like batch records or packaging records. Next, let's dive into inventory. Fiddle is built around inventory management. You can track all of your inventory types like raw goods, packaging materials, finished goods, and bundles. We actually have a great tool where you can map out all of your bundles and deplete the right items. Another feature is lot tracking. For example, if we jump into this apple cinnamon breakfast bar, we can assign expiration dates, see the locations across multiple sites, what's reserved across sales orders, or what's on order across POs. You can easily deplete from inventory and add COGS so you can track your material, shipping, and additional costs. You can even see your weighted moving average across your different lots. Of course, you can build out the bill of materials for every one of your SKUs. And in the quoting or product costing section, you can track the supplier pricing, minimum order quantities, and lead times for every item in that bill of materials. In this example, you need to produce 5,000 breakfast bars. You can see the MOQs, lead time, and the total quantity needed. So if I click on this bottle, it gives me a 60-day lead time, which is too long. I need to get these in 2 weeks. So I'm going to increase it by 10 cents per bottle, which changes the lead time and the cost per unit. It's a great tool to make sure all of your suppliers, pricing, and MOQs are dialed in to hit your margins and lead times. In the sales section, you'll see details of all your sales orders from your website, wholesale, retail marketplaces, or any manual orders that you added, and be able to decrement right from inventory and give you real-time numbers on those SKUs. Now what's really nice is you can see the status of those orders in this Kanban board. You can customize these columns and then bring them through the process as the order changes stages. You can use this feature across quoting, purchase orders, and work orders. If you need to send POs to your co-packer or to suppliers, you can easily create and send them right here, and also receive them right into inventory. For example, let's say this bar just arrived at your co-packer. You can come to this section and mark it as received. The PO, COGS, and quantity are all updated, and then you'll be able to go into production. Another super valuable section is the requirements. It gives you a view across all your sales and all the items you need to go into production. It'll define it by the supplier. You can select the items you want to order and create a PO on the spot. It's a really nice tool to pull in the reserved items across finished goods, raws, and packaging. And again, you can use the purchase order Kanban board to see what's in transit, what's confirmed, what's received, what's available, and then go right into your work order section. Now sticking with the apple cinnamon breakfast bar, you'll see it's tied to that sales order. You'll see a bill of materials, the plan, and your production. It's going to pull in the bill of materials we assigned, look into any sub-assemblies, and tell us what's in stock and what's not. So if I go to all components, it's going to show me everything I need that's been reserved, what's on order, and what's in stock. So we are ready to go into production. You can generate batch records and compliance docs, add new inventory, deplete from inventory, and that's also going to assign the COGS when necessary. You can see any associated costs, which this one doesn't have. You can integrate with all of your favorite apps like QuickBooks, Shopify, ShipStation, ShipCaddy, Gmail, Outlook, Fair Marketplace, and many more. You can get customized reports for your inventory, production, purchase orders, sales, and shipments. Fiddle really gives you all the tools you need to streamline all of your inventory operations and scale your business. If you have any questions, use the chat on our website to contact us. You can also schedule a personalized one-on-one demo or start a free 14-day trial to really see if Fiddle is right for you. Thanks for watching.